Wichita, Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation, 1908 Zulu. Wind variable at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 12 Celsius. Dew point 03 Celsius. Altimeter 3001. Remarks. Density altitude 1,300.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80, Pop Echo, taxiing to the run-up area for 36, Jabara. Mag. Right mag.
Jabara traffic, red biplane, departing runway 36, northbound. Jabara.
Alright, well, fuel on both. Cowl flaps open. Rudder trim. Oh, he's up quick, isn't he?
Oh yeah, he's whole thing. Like his plane.
Yeah, it's pretty. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80, Papa Echo, taking off runway 36, Jabara. Alright, heels on the floor. Instruments are green. Airspeed is alive. Cross check, instruments still green. And rotate. Positive rate, flaps up. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80, Papa Echo, departing the area to the east, Jabara.
Jabara traffic, Bonanza 120 Romeo Whiskey is 8 miles south and west, inbound. I'll pick up the left base 36 for the full stop, Jabara. Jabara traffic, Bonanza 120 Romeo Whiskey is joining the left base 36 full stop, Jabara.
That way, just a hair. Got a really good picture on.
Oh, wow. That's with your phone, huh?
Yeah.
All right, well, hello, everybody. I guess it's welcome 2020, right? This is our first flight.
Oh, I guess it is, yeah.
Well, we kind of apologize for kind of a gap in videos, but my gosh, we've had the icing, and just weather has just not been conducive.
It's been really, really cold, and then we had ice and snow. There were still a few little chunks of snow on the side of the runway.
Yeah, so
Not a whole lot, but
yeah, so and then the one pretty weekend, or I say pretty, it was just wasn't that bad. We had a prior commitment, so anyway, we apologize for the gap.
yep.
But we'll get us try to get us back on track. You know, wintertime flying is always kind of iffy.
Well, and also have to talk about your other project right now.
Yeah. Well, I'm helping my son-in-law build an engine for his '86 C10 pickup truck, so
Yeah.
that's taken up a little bit of my time. That was one of the prior commitments when the weather was pretty.
Yeah.
I had to help him.
Yeah, and I know we talk about her every time, and I make you fly over the school every single time.
Well,
Fly out, but our daughter, we'll have to put up a few pictures of when we toured the building that she's designed, the new River High School. We flew over it again today, so I took pictures and
yeah. Well, she gave us a really in-depth tour recently.
yeah.
And it amazes me how well of almost every square inch of that building she knows.
I know. And I cannot remember, is it 400,000 square feet?
Oh gosh, don't give me a line. We'll look it up. We'll put a.
Yeah, it's impressive. Nice to be able to be proud of your kiddos, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, that hard-earned degree, and plus, you know, mom and daddy just sweating it out, hoping that she made it.
Well, I guess we should tell everybody we're headed to Ponca City. Just want to get out and fly a little bit today. And in Ponca City, we've been there before. It's a neat little place to eat on the at the airport there, Enrique's little Mexican place.
Right, and it's pretty good. Their chips are really good.
Oh yeah, they're very light.
They're light, and they're made. Well, okay, you've got different people that eat chips at a Mexican restaurant. You got the dippers, and then you've kind of got those that'll kind of dip and scoop a little bit. Then you got the ones that are kind of like me, where I just
a couple of tablespoons worth.
yeah. So their chips are kind of hollow, kind of bowl-shaped a little bit, so you can actually get. If you're a scooper, those are the chips you want.
Guess so. But we also plan to head to Marland Mansion. It's a mansion that was built in 1928 or completed in 1928. The Marland family was a oil family in Ponca City, and at one time employed most of the people in Ponca City. We have been down before and have toured the mansion, and it's really quite incredible, and we thought we'd try to do that today too. It's beautiful.
It's you know, the outside air temperature right now is 50 degrees, and that's just unheard of around here.
Oh yeah.
And
January.
Yeah, so we're kind of like, you know, let's take advantage of it, and you know, it's a calm day. It's kind of a good day to fly if it's been several weeks that you hadn't flown. So
Right.
but we're rocking along pretty good. Got an indicated airspeed 135 knots, true airspeed 143, and our ground speed's almost 150 knots. So we'll knock this trip out pretty quick.
Yeah. Which is good because I'm hungry.
Yeah. Well, neither one of us eat. Little airport that did a touch and go at on my private.
Ponca City Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1934 Zulu. Wind 350 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 13 Celsius. Dew point 03 Celsius. Altimeter 3001. Remarks. Density altitude 1,000.
338 X-ray.
Ponca City traffic, Skyline November 80, Papa Echo is 5 to the northwest, going to enter a left downwind for 35, full stop, Ponca City.
It is out in front of us.
You see it right there?
The airport?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, gas on both. Undercarriage is fixed, mixture is full rich, prop full in. Power and flaps to go, switches, landing lights on, seat belts are on.
Ponca City traffic, Skylane November 80, Papa Echo is on left downwind for 35, full stop, Ponca City.
All right, beam the numbers, 10 degrees flaps.
Ponca City traffic, Skylane November 80, Papa Echo, turn left base, 35, full stop, Ponca. Ponca City traffic, Skylane 80, Papa Echo on short final, 35, full stop, Ponca.
Flaps. Oh, it's a rough runway.
It is.
Everybody always tells you that don't land on the center line because it's right there.
Maybe you should try to do the right of the center line.
I know it. That was pretty rough on that side too, wasn't it?
Yeah.